Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you again on behalf of CSI chapters people of Vit-Ap University. And we'll take a look at a very important topic today of Java, which is Iterator. What is an Iterator? So Iterator, it is nothing but like it is kind of important. So I'll tell you, a Java cursor is an iterator which is used to iterate or transverse or retrieve a collection of or stream objects element one by one. Like using an iterator, what you can do, you can just access the element of a list or an array or anything one by one. It is iterator. It will be more clear to you with the example. Okay, so I'll start with an example. So what I'm doing, I'm just creating a variable of I of a type object, and what I'm doing, I'm just adding it to the array list, and let's say it is using this iterator, and now what I'll do, I'll just do something. Let's talk about this function instance of. So what is this instance of? So this is a comparison operator in Java. Type comparison, not comparison, type comparison. So it is known as type comparison operator because it compares the instance with type. Like it returns true or false only. It don't return anything else. It returns either 1 or 0. So it is of type boolean. It returns boolean type value. So if we apply instance of operator with any variable that has no value, null value, then it returns false. So in our example, it is of type object, and we are checking if it is same as type list. So it is not. So therefore our code, it will return false. You may see it is returning false because it is a type operator. It checks whether the type of I it is same as the type of list, and we know I it is of type object of iterator class. So that eventually the type of I will be equal to iterator, the type of iterator. You may check it. And you may see in this case it is going to return true because it is using this iterator method of array list. So the type of I will be same as the type of iterator. We don't know what type that is, but these are gonna be same. And there is one more, which is list iterator. Where I should do a small line or the W. Yeah, you may see it is returning false because it is not of the type list iterator. It is kind of different from iterator. Let's say this list iterator for some future topic. Till then, bye bye. I think it is clear to you guys because it was not very hard topic. It is very easy one. And if you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. You can just take another look at it, rewind the video. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.